Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn history on your own. Begin by identifying your passions within history, whether it's ancient civilizations or modern conflicts. This initial step is crucial for sustained engagement. Then, seek out foundational texts or documentaries that provide a broad understanding of your chosen era or topic. Remember, a solid overview helps contextualize more detailed studies later on. To truly immerse yourself, leverage a variety of resources. Primary sources, like letters or official documents, offer first-hand accounts and unique perspectives. Complement these with secondary sources, such as scholarly articles, which provide expert analysis. Don't forget the power of visual and auditory learning. Documentaries and podcasts can bring history to life, offering different angles and making complex topics more accessible. A structured approach is vital for effective self-study. Begin by creating timelines to visually organize events and understand their chronological relationships. As you read, take comprehensive notes, summarizing key figures, dates, and their significance. Regularly practice active recall by quizzing yourself on the material. Consider joining online forums or study groups to discuss your findings and gain new insights from fellow enthusiasts. To truly deepen your understanding and ensure long-term retention, connect historical events to current affairs. This helps illustrate history's enduring impact. If possible, visit historical sites or museums. Experiencing these places firsthand can be incredibly impactful. Consider writing short essays or summaries to consolidate your knowledge. Finally, teaching what you've learned to someone else is one of the most effective ways to solidify your own grasp of the subject.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.